Yo, what's good, Poke fam? We back again, once again, on the Poke Deers channel. Y'all know what time it is. Pack a day, 4 years straight, day number 346, and we keeping that streak alive to 365. You dig? So, we got Clefable, 2 packs left of Perfect Order, but your boy did get some more packs in. But we'll get into that a little bit later. Yesterday, we did pull the full art star me. Like I said, we will get this graded because for the second giveaway, I'm gonna have some PSA slabs to give away on the next giveaway. So put it in the comment section if y'all want that to happen for that one. Put it in the folder for the binder giveaway. So you already know. Well, we'll talk about that in a little bit. But so we're gonna get to the Clefable pack. Let's get to it. If you're new to the space of the Poke Deers channel, gaming, vlogging, streaming, pack openings, pack battles, unboxing, news, reviews, gaming, entertainment, all that great stuff, hit the like button, share the content, tell a friend to tell a friend. The Poke Deers channel, we live and direct, family. Appreciate all the love and support. And to all my relatives that been here since the beginning, to all my Poke cousins, family, what's goody, what's good. Know what's going on. Hit that like button. That like button is free and it don't cost you nothing. Like I said, good morning, happy Saturday. Let's get to it, y'all. See if we can get another banger from our pack a day. Yesterday was a great day. See if we can keep it going. Hopefully. So we got more packs in. QR code, fan bam, thank you, ma'am. Gone. Alrighty. Let's see. What's up? This looks good. Okay. Always like the ghastly. Okay. Good. Eradicate. Okay. Rose of Encouragement. Again. Energy Search. We got... I thought we had something again. Got... Nothing. Going energy grass. So we got nothing today. On the Saturday on 346. It's cool, family. Don't worry about it. You win some, you lose some. Like I said, we did get the star me yesterday. As you can see, I got in some more packs. Got a Surgeon Sparks right there. We still got Perfect Order, and then pause behind Perfect Order. We got the Greninja, Twilight Masquerade, and then there's more Perfect Order. So we got in 8 more packs, family. So, had to keep them going. So we still found some more packs to keep the pack a day going. Now let's get to the binder. Okay, check this out. Check that out. Show y'all, give y'all an update. Like I said, remember about taking the star out, get that graded. I was gonna add in some more cards. So since I did get some more Perfect Order packs, right? It was the coin pouch, so with the promo cards. This will be a part of the giveaway. Get some full arts, like I said, EXs, promo cards. Be a part of that. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. If you're new, put it in the comment section. Put your name in the comment section. And if you're already part of the family, just hit that like button and drop your name in the comments. And I'll add you if you don't see your name on the list. And I'll show y'all in a second. Giving away 8 binders. Each binder had their first 2 pages full out of the cards that's coming out of this binder, which is my personal binder. See the shiny stuff like that. Charizards. Check that out. Eradicate. Fire. Full guards, promo cards from ETBs too. Got that Dugard. Promo cards from coin pouches and stuff like that. Remember, these was the ones I added in yesterday, and then I added that. This is from Perfect Order, where you get the coin, card, and the pack. So I had got 6 packs yesterday. consists of the coin pack. So each person in each different card would have the promo card from the perfect order, and then I got a knockout box. So we get the sweet cool from the knockout. So I added in that. So then now we're just filling that up, and then we'll be to 8 pages, family. We're gonna count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, 9, 10. Alright, so we be at 10 pages left to go. So pardon me, so we just gotta be at 10. So once we fill this up, I'll probably get some more, try to get some more promo cards today or something like that, or I'll add in 3 more cards right here. And then we'll be able to start on this page, and then that way we'll be able to be at 9 pages instead of 10. Instead of 10. Can't use sometimes. Early morning. So let's go to the names. Right here go the names. So if you don't see a name on here, you know what to do, as I explained. And the first giveaway will be US based only first, and then the next one we'll do it worldwide. And we have, I believe, 4 slots left. So you see we got 4 slots left. Said, check this out. Check it out, fam. All right, family. Like I said, you know our motto: win some, you lose some, but gotta collect them all. Gotta catch them all. Till next time, family. Peace.